An Atlanta-based fiber optic cable is suing the city of Warner Robins. The city hired A2D to install a fiber optic network, but now they say mayor and council are not following their contract. Sarah Hammond joins us live from City Hall to tell us why they are taking the case to court.
Yeah, according to the lawsuit filed in Houston County Superior Court last week, A2D claims that the city is violating their contract by not giving them access to what they say is their property, the lines they installed beneath the city.
2 years ago, the city of Warner Robins paid $2.5 million to install a fiber optic network in Warner Robins. The city's plan was to bring high-speed internet to all parts of the city, including Robins Air Force Base. But now the company brought in to do that is suing the city. A2D claims the city, specifically Mayor Randy Toms, is denying them access to their own property. The suit alleges that under the contract, the city owns only 12 of the 72 fibers installed, and A2D plans to sell the rest to people and businesses. According to A2D, the city is now claiming they own all of the fibers and will not grant access to any of the lines. In the documents, the company says to sell these lines to businesses, they have to have access to the lines. And to have access, they need right-of-way permits from the city. They claim they filed for 6 of those permits since June, and none of them have been granted. They claim, quote, Mayor Randy Toms is acting wrongfully, capriciously, and arbitrarily, and is in violation of his legal duties. We reached out to Toms for comment, but he said he could not talk about the lawsuit.
Mayor and council had a regularly scheduled council meeting that started about an hour ago, and they began by going into a closed session to discuss litigation, but it's unclear if they were discussing this lawsuit. Live in Warner Robins, Sarah Hammond, 13 WMAZ News.
The fiber network makes up a 27-mile loop around the city. They broke ground on the project back in summer of 2018.